lion lived in the forest and killed at least 2 or 3 animals a day for sustenance. The animals told him that one of them would bring him food every day. So, the lion agreed, and this continued for a considerable time. One day it was the rabbit's turn. As the rabbit approached the lion, he noticed a water well. Now, he plans to kill the lion to protect himself. Then the rabbit went to the lion and told him that there was another lion in the forest who claimed to be stronger than him. The lion was very angry after hearing the rabbit's words. The lion then requested the rabbit to deliver him to the other lion. The rabbit took him to the well and told him that he lived there. Peeking into the well, the lion saw his own reflection, and thinking it was the lion, jumped to attack it, and died inside the well. This is how the clever rabbit escaped from the evil lion.